Okay, then let's start with the another next genera in paleobotany, that is the Pentoxylon. So it is the next genera in your topic first, paleobotany. So first of all, we have to discuss about the features or saline features of the Pentoxylon. So first of all, classification. So this Pentoxylon is comes under the group Pentoxylales. Pentoxylales, that means it is short shrub with spirally arranged leaves. So shrub plants, that means height is about 3 or 4 feet. Then on that this Pentoxylon or the in the group members of the Pentoxylales are the short shrubby plants, and on that plants the leaves are spirally arranged. So in the group Pentoxylales, we have discussed about the genus Pentoxylon. So in this Pentoxylon, also there is the different names for the different fossils like the Lysinopteris. Here the stem fossils name as a Pentoxylon sahani. The next leaves fossil is known as the Nipaneophyllum. Then the fossil of seed bearing organ, or which is also called as the female organ. So female organ of the Pentoxylon is known as the Cornoconitis. Then last one is the male reproductive organ fossils, which is named as a Sahania nipaniensis. So one by one we discuss in today's lecture. First of all, we have to focus on the features of the Pentoxylon plants. So here, first of all, this Pentoxylon is a small shrub trees. It is small shrubby plants. Shrubby plants, that means it is height up to the 3 feet. Then this plant shows the xerophytic natures. Xerophytic, that means xerophytic. This plant shows some xerophytic characters. So what are the xerophytic characters? Anybody knows? So xerophytic characters, that means first of all leaves. So leaves of these in the xerophytic plant, they are thick, they are having the water storage capacity leaves के अंदर रहते. तो वैसे प्लांट xerophytic में, जैसे कि हम कैक्टस का देखते हैं, तो कैक्टस इट इज ऑल्सो ए xerophytic प्लांट. So some characters in the Pentoxylon shows the xerophytic natures. Then third character is the unisexual flowers borne on the lateral dwarf shoot. Unisexual flowers, that means only male and female flowers, both are the separate. So here these flowers of the Pentoxylons are borne on the dwarf shoot. जो dwarf shoot है, जो कि लिमिटेड ग्रोथ रहती है. अभी आप फिगर में देख सकते हो, जो ब्रांच और जो भी ब्रांचेस है वो जिसकी ग्रोथ होती जाती है उसे हम बोलते हैं जो लॉन्ग शूट, और जिसकी ग्रोथ लिमिटेड रहती है उसे बोलते हैं डॉर्फ शूट. सो ऑन दिस डॉर्फ शूट द फ्लावर्स विल बी born. Then fourth character is the stem with persistent leaf bases. So when the leaf senescence, लीफ येलोइश होने के बाद लीफ क्या होते हैं, उनका सीनेसेंस हो जाता है. तो सीनेसेंस होने के बाद मतलब वो जो भी प्लांट है, प्लांट से वो नीचे गिर जाते, बट वहाँ पे उस प्लांट के ऊपर उसके लीफ ट्रेसेस और लीफ बेसेस वहाँ पे हमें स्टेम के ऊपर दिखाई देते. सो सेम हियर इन दिस Pentoxylon we have to observe that the leaf bases on the stem. Then the leaves are leathery. Leather-like structure or leathery textures of the leaves are present in the pentoxylon. Then flowers are protected by the small scaly leaf. These flowers at the young stage, they will be protected by the scaly leaves. Then the plant may be monoecious or dioecious. So what is monoecious? Give quick response. What is monoecious? My voice is clear? तो monoecious,
Bisexual.
हाँ, okay. तो in monoecious, that means only the single sex is present, and dioecious, that means male and female both sex organs are present in the same plant. Or monoecious plants, that means the male plant and female plant both are the separate. So here in pentoxylon shows some, maybe it may be monoecious or dioecious, because these flowers are the unisexuals. So sometimes they will be observed monoecious, or in some cases they observe the dioecious condition. Then in geological age is Jurassic. Mostly these plants are present in the Jurassic era and in the form of पेट्रिफिकेशन. पेट्रिफिकेशन फॉर्म में हमें एक फॉसिल मिलता है. एंड कौन सा इरा है? जुरासिक इरा. जैसे कि हमने पहले दो जेनस पढ़े हैं, दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट वन कौन सा जीनस आपने स्टडी किया? तो लेपिडोडेंड्रॉन एंड लाइजिनोप्टेरिस. तो these two genera are comes in the Carboniferous period, and today's these pentoxylon is comes in the Jurassic era. Same in the petrification forms. Then let's discuss about the characters of the stem of the pentoxylon or pentoxylon, which is also called as the pentoxylon sahani. So here when we discuss the anatomical structures of the stem is ranges from 3 millimeter to 2 centimeters in diameter. Then in this stem there is the presence of 5 vascular bundles. There is the rings of the 5 vascular bundles. So here in first figure you have to see at the top of the stem there is the 5 dark spot. So these dark spots are nothing but the 5 rings of the vascular bundles. Sometimes these vascular bundles may be varied, and they are 4. Each vascular bundle is conjoined, collateral and opens. That means xylem and phloem in the one plane, xylem at the inner sides, phloem at the outer sides, and in between xylem and phloem there is the cambium is present. So in pentoxylon vascular bundles are the conjoined, collateral and open. Sometimes in the woods of the pentoxylon, the secondary wood is compactly arranged. Then in the secondary phloem, which is surrounded the secondary woods. So in this pentoxylon, the secondary growth is present. Here secondary growth, that means there is the additions of vascular ring and cambium ring. So here in that pentoxylon, the secondary wood is compactly formed. Then next character is the short shoot measuring up to 0.5 to 0.7 millimeter diameter. This short shoot are leaf bearing. मैंने बताया जो short shoot है that is the dwarf shoot. On this dwarf shoot the growth is limited, so here some minimum leaves are present, and जो unlimited growth होते हैं उसके ऊपर जो leaves arrangement वहाँ पे हमें ज़्यादा नज़र आती. So anatomical and morphological appearance of the stem like the typical cycadians. So this Pentoxylon sahani stem shows similarities with the other gymnospermic group plant, that is the cycadians. So this shows anatomical as well as morphological similarities with the cycadians plants. So this is all about the stem of the Pentoxylon, that is Pentoxylon sahani. Then the next one, that is the Nymphaeophyllum. So Nymphaeophyllum is nothing but the leaves of the Pentoxylon. So first of all you have to see in this figure leaf. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो leaf कैसे नज़र आ रहा है आपको. So this leaf is known as the Nymphaeophyllum. So first of all you have to write about the group and genus. So this Nymphaeophyllum, that is comes the groups Pentoxylales, that is short shrub with the spirally arranged leaves. Then genus Pentoxylon, that is Pentoxylon Nymphaeophyllum. So this Nymphaeophyllum is characterized by these leaves are about 7 centimeter long and 1 centimeter broad. जो leaves है, these leaves are large in size up to the 7 centimeter and 1 centimeter broad. The leaves are strap shaped with rounded apex. At the apex there is a rounded shape. Then these leaf lamina, that means the outer sides of the leaves. So these leaf laminas will be broader at the apex region, and apex region में these lamina will be broader in size. Then they will be narrow at the base and broader at the apex. So these laminas has narrow wings towards the petiole. जो petiole मतलब बेस की तरफ पे नैरो होते जाता है, और जो टिप पोर्शन है टिप पोर्शन की तरफ पे ब्रॉड होता है. Then in that leaf the midrib is approximately 1 millimeter broad and it is erect. These lateral veins are parallel to each other. Then these club shaped expansion present on the upper sides at the ends of the ventlets is called hadathode. Sunken stomata are also present on the lower surface, and thick waxy cuticle is present on the upper surface. So this waxy cuticle, it is also the characters in the xerophytic plants. So here in this leaf is narrow at the base and broader at the apex. They shows approximate midrib is very broad, 1 millimeter broad and erect. These leaves shows the lateral veins. Those are parallel to each other. Then on that leaves also the hadathodes. At the end of the ventlets, these hadathodes are present. Sunken stomata are present on the lower surface of the leaves, and thick waxy cuticles are present on the upper surface of the leaf. So these are some important characters of the Nymphaeophyllum. So this is all regarding the Nephaniophyllum. First of all, you have to, in future, you have to write about the length and broadness of the leaves. Then its shape. This shape will be strap shaped and rounded at the apex. This lamina is broader at apex and narrow at the then you have to write about the midrib. Midrib is 1 millimeter broad and erect. Lateral veins are present and those are the parallel to each others. Then at the ends of the veinlets there is the hadathod gland is present. Sunken stomata are present at the lower surface and thick waxy cuticle is present on the upper surface. So these all characters are included under the Nephaniophyllum. Then third genera is the Cornoconites. So Cornoconites, it is the seed bearing organ. तो सीड्स कहाँ पे फॉर्म होते हैं? सीड मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन में प्रोड्यूस होते हैं या फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन में? सोए नहीं हो ना आप? सब लोग सुन रहे हो ना? So third specimen is the Cornoconites. So Cornoconites, first of all write its classification, that means group Pentoxylales, short shrub with spirally arranged leaves. Then genus Pentoxylon Cornoconites, that means seed bearing organ, or which is also called as the female sex organs. So here the figure of the Cornoconites. So in this figure you have to clearly see the on this lateral shoot this seed bearing organ will be produced. So on this lateral shoot some scaly leaves are on the side. Scaly leaves are arranged. These scaly leaves at the young stage they protected these seed bearing organs. So this is the female cone of the Pentoxylon. So this female cone of the Pentoxylon, or which is also called as the Cornoconites, it is look like the mulberry, like the fleshy appearance. They are always born on the short shoot and on the central axis. So this on its central axis megasporophilous seeds are spirally fused. You have to see this figure. So at the lateral sections of this when we go through the central axis, On that central axis, both sides, the megasporophilous seeds are spirally fused. So here the ovule is directly attached to the central axis and micropyle are directed the outsides. So ovule of that pentoxylon is oval in shape, that is covered by the single integuments and which is very hard with almond shaped stony layer. So this layer also do the functions of the protection. So they will be protected the ovary as well as seeds of the pentoxylon. Here the nucellus is free from the integuments. In last Laginopteris we have studied that the nucellus is always attached to the integuments. So here these characters are not similar. In the pentoxylon, the nucellus is free from the integuments. Then thick fleshy layer is surrounded, the ovule is called sacrotesta. So जो ovules है, this ovules is also covered with the thick fleshy layer. This layer is called as the sacrotesta. So this is characters of this pentoxylon cornoconitis. First of all, you have to describe about the mulberry like fleshy appearance. Then where it is present, so it is present on the short shoot. And the central axis, these megasporophilous seeds are spirally arranged. These ovules are always attached to the central axis and micropyle towards the outside. So this ovule is oval shaped. They are having covered with the single integuments. In that also this oval or ovule is covered by the almond shaped stony layers. Here the nucellus is not attached to the integuments and this whole ovule is surrounded by the thick fleshy layers. So this thick fleshy layer is called as the sacrotesta. So you have, these are the important characters of the cornoconitis. Then fourth one is the female cone. So here in the Sahania nipaniensis is the male reproductive organ of the pentoxylon. So similarly you have to first of all write the classification. In that it is comes under the group pentoxylase, that is short shrub with spirally arranged leaves. Then genus is the pentoxylon and its name is the Sahania nipaniensis, that is male reproductive organ. Why the name is nipaniensis? So here these fossils or Sahania nipaniensis, this plant fossil is present in the place Nipani. So this specimen is gave the name as a निपानियंसिस. निपानियंसिस एक लोकेशन है, वहाँ पे हमें फॉसिल्स मिले हैं, तो दैट्स वाई दे गेव द नेम एज अ सहानिया निपानियंसिस. सो हियर I can enlarge this. So these are the male flowers. So at the dop shoot, at the base there is the disc shaped structure, and on that disc the microsporophylls are arranged. These microsporophylls contains the sporangia. Then the single microsporophyll structure is like the, on the sporophyll these different or many sporangia are present. So If we consider the characters of these male reproductive organ or Sahania nipaniensis, these mostly arises apically. Sorry. So here this more in Sahania nipaniensis is or the male reproductive structure, there arises apically on the dwarf shoots. So here in that Sahania nipaniensis, they are born on the long axis with male flower. Central में हमें at the center there is the central axis, and on that central axis the microsporophylls are arranged. So the male flowers are very small, oval with microspores. These microspores are, which is also called as the pollen grains. So these pollen grains are the boat shaped. These pollen grains shows the boat shaped structure. So these are some important characters of the Sahania nipaniensis. So here for today's lectures we have totally discussed about the pentoxylon. So here pentoxylon पहले हमने देखा दिस पेंटोथालॉन्स कम्स अंडर द ग्रुप पेंटोथाइल्स बिकॉज it is short shrub with spirally arranged leaves. Then the stem of the pentoxylon is called as the pentoxylon sahani. Leaves is known as the Nipaniophyllum. Then seed bearing organ is called as the Cornoconitis. Then male reproductive fossil is called as the Sahania nipaniensis. So this is all regarding the pentoxylons. First of all, we have discussed about the main features of this pentoxylon, that is it is small shrub tree, it shows xerophytic characters, it is having the unisexual flowers will be borne on the lateral shoots. Stem shows some persistent leaf bases, the leaf shows the leathery structures. Then flowers are at the young stage, these flowers are protected with the scale leaf. Sometimes this plant is monoecious or dioecious. Mostly this pentoxylon is fossil is observed in the Jurassic era in the form of petrification. Then stem of the pentoxylon, that is pentoxylon sahani, shows some important characters in that this stem shows 5 rings of vascular bundle, but sometimes they may be varied. Each vascular bundles of the stem is conjoined, collateral and open. Here the secondary wood is compact and secondary phloem is surrounded by the secondary wood. So also this stem of the pentoxylon shows anatomical as well as morphological similarities with the cycadian plants. Then next second स्पेसमेन हमने डिस्कस किया निपानियोफाइलम. सो निपानियोफाइलम इज नथिंग बट द लीफ फॉसिल्स ऑफ द pentoxylon. So you have to write about the length and broadness of the leaf. Then leaves are strap shaped, leaves are broader at the apex and narrow at the base. Then they forms they in leaves observe the midrib, which is erect and broad. Then lateral veins are parallel to each other. Then club shape expansion, that at the end of veins there is the hadathodi is present. On the lower surface there is the sunken stomata are there. On the upper surface there is the thick waxy cuticles. Then third fossils is the cornoconitis. So cornoconitis is nothing but the seed bearing organ or female cone of the pentoxylon. So these also look like the mulberry like fleshy appearance. They are borne on the short shoot, that means dwarf shoot. On the central axis, these megasporophylls are spirally arranged, and these ovules are always attached to the central axis. Here the micropyle is present at the outside, and ovule is the oval shape that is covered with the single integuments and having the stony layer. Then in that cornoconitis, the nucellus is not attached to the, or it is free from the integuments. Here the ovules are also surrounded by the fleshy layers, and this fleshy layer is specially named as the sacropesca. Then last one is the Sahania nipponiensis. So Sahania nipponiensis, it is the male reproductive organ of the pentoxylons. Here these Sahania nipponiensis or male reproductive organs, mostly they are also arises from the dwarf shoot. They are having the long axis with the male flowers. These male flowers are very small and oval in shape. In that male flower, the microspores or pollen grains are present, and the shape of the pollen grains are the board shape. So this is all regarding the pentoxylon genera.